So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Lyft fired their old CEO and hired a new one. Lyft's new CEO could earn $1 billion. So if you thought Uber CEO was bad, the new Lyft CEO could be getting $1 billion.
That's insane. That's a lot of money.
His name is David Risher. He spent 14 years running a charity for kids. He's been tapped as the next CEO of Ride. I don't know how that qualifies him for being
I was literally just going to say that.
The Lyft CEO. He's been awarded stock options that could be worth $1 billion.
Oh, wow.
You should have become CEO so you could get $1 billion.
Yeah. So
honestly, it seems pretty easy to get $1 billion. All you got to do is go start a charity for kids and then become Lyft CEO.
Yeah, you just do that for 14 years.
Maybe it's because his last name kind of like rhymes with like it kind of
richer.
It's kind of like similar to Rideshare. It's like maybe they accidentally was like a misspell. They were like, oh, let's find a Rideshare driver, and it was just like Rideshare, David Rideshare, and then they're like, oh, let's pick this dude.
Yeah.
Granted, for Rideshare to achieve that staggering payout would require a Herculean task: pump Lyft stock to $80 a share from its current value of $9 a share. So I mean, still 770%. So he basically already got over $100 million in stock options though.
Oh wow.
Yeah, based on this. So if $9 a share, he needs to go to 80 to get $1 billion. So he has around $120 million of shares right now. That's crazy.
Yeah.
And you think the CEO cares about drivers? No, this is why they do it, to get that money.
Yeah.
He's 80 years old.
No.
At 80?
At $80.
At $80.
At $80 is $12.25 million performance-based restricted stock units would be worth $980 million.
That's crazy. So 12.25 times 8. Okay, so he's got
98 million.
98 million? Oh wait, no.
Sorry, 980 million.
He's got 12.25 million times $9. Oh no, he has 110,250,000 at current value. So he got like $100 million sign-on bonus, $110 million sign-on bonus. This bald white dude.
You have something against bald white.
It's Andrew Tate. No, I can't tell what. Okay, this is too much. It's a black and white photo. I'm sorry. I don't care what. You know what?
Oh, he's been on the Lyft board since 2021.
Okay. This is a live stream. Don't cancel me, guys. You get someone highly valued in the marketplace who worked at Microsoft and Amazon. They don't have to tell you. Yeah, he's making a salary of $725,000 a year. He doesn't even need a salary. He just got $110 million.
He should donate
most of it to drivers to increase pay. Question: what is the actual percentage Uber drivers receive as of now?
It ranges between 40 and 60%.
Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.